The main reason we're here is really to see how the WTO can support Nigeria in improving its economy.
The World Trade Organization will work to reduce export restrictions among member states, especially with regards to medical supplies in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Director General of World Trade Organization, Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, made the promise when she met with members of the Nigeria's Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 in the office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Mr. Boss Mustafa, in Abuja. The WTO Director General, who said she was on a thank-you visit to Nigeria and the ECOWAS for the support she received in the run-up to her elections into her new office, stressed that in a pandemic, an economy cannot be advanced until the health sector was taken care of.
And part of doing that is the health. We're in a pandemic, and of course you cannot advance the economy until you take care of the health aspects. And so what the Secretary to the Government and the office is doing, along with the Presidential Task Force, is it's laudable. And we wanted to just discuss with them, one, what is happening, the arrival of the COVID vaccines, how that is being distributed, the challenges, opportunities on the way of that, what the WTO can do. Interestingly, trade is very instrumental in access to medical supplies and equipment, because how do they get from one place to the other? It is through trade.
The DG said she was proud to know the progress that has been made. While responding, Mr. Boss Mustafa noted that the pandemic came with impact on the nation's economy, but provided an opportunity for the country to improve its system. The SGF also congratulated Okonjo-Iweala for being the first woman and the first African to have ascended to the office of the DG of the WTO.
COVID-19 has come with a lot of, I always say it came with a lot of adverse effects and impacts, but it also provided an opportunity for us to really go back and look at our system. The good thing about COVID-19 is that it has exposed the weaknesses of all systems. Even the most established democracies and economies have been brought to their knees by the adverse effects of COVID-19. And I believe that you would be of tremendous help to us in making sure that Nigeria has an equitable share in trade negotiations.
He said further that he is confident that our election into the World Trade Organization office will bring a lot of goodwill to Nigeria. Kamel Sadiq, reporting for CBA TV, Nigeria.